Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to add users to your myQ garage door opener. First of all, open the myQ app on your device. Then, sign up for an account. I have already signed up. After that, go to the menu section. Next, find and tap on the Users and Credentials option. Then, tap on Add a User. Next, click on the Family and Friends option. This option allows selected individuals to have access to specific myQ devices. For example, let's say you want to invite someone named Joe. All you need to do is enter their email address and then confirm the email. Once you send the invitation, that person will receive an email containing a link. They can click on that link to accept the invitation, provided they have already installed the myQ app. Two important things to keep in mind. The person must have the myQ app installed on their phone. They must have already created an account and be logged in. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.